Welcome to the video session of Standard 6 Term 3 English Unit 2 poem A Tragic Story. The poem A Tragic Story, written by William Makepeace Thackeray, is a humorous poem which revolves around a foolish act done by a sage. Sage means your wise man. He thought about this for a long time and swore that he would change the pigtail's place, which is apparently impossible and funny. Throughout the poem, the poet laughs at this wise man, who does not have any practical knowledge but uses his theoretical knowledge and does foolish things. William Makepeace Thackeray was one of the great novelists of the English Victorian age. His Vanity Fair is one of the finest and best known novels in English literature. Thackeray wrote in a colorful, lively style with a simple vocabulary and clearly structured sentences. These qualities, combined with his honest view of life, give him an important place in the history of realistic literature. Now we'll see the poem. There lived a sage in days of yore, and he a handsome pigtail wore, but wondered much and sorrowed more, because it hung behind him. He mused upon this curious case, and swore he would change the pigtail's place, and have it hanging at his face, not dangling there behind him. Says he, the mystery I have found, says he, the mystery I have found. I'll turn me round. He turned him round, but still it hung behind him. Then round and out and in, all day the puzzled sage did spin. In vain it mattered not a pin, the pigtail hung behind him. And right and left and round about, and up and down and in and out, he turned, but still the pigtail stout hung steadily behind him. And though his efforts never slack, and though he twist and twirl and tug, alas, still faithful to his back, the pigtail hangs behind him. The poet narrates us about a sage who lived in the past with a beautiful pigtail. He was worried about his pigtail being hung behind him. He thought about this for a long time, and swore that he would change the pigtail place, which is apparently impossible and funny. He would like to have it at his face and not dangling there behind him. This small thing is a serious problem for this wise man. He said that he had found a solution to change the position of his pigtail. So he turned him round continuously without stopping throughout the day. He turned in different directions. He turned right and left, out and in, up and down, but the pigtail didn't change a bit. Though his efforts were not slackened, and though he twisted, twirled and tacked, his pigtail hung faithfully and steadily behind him. Thus this poem is amusing, and the poet brings out the theme: how learned man lack practical common sense.